Okay, so this is my 2013 Hunter Low Profile ceiling fan, and I'm going to show you what it does here. I'm going to put it on number 2. Listen to that. This is the loudest ceiling fan in my house right now, and it just started doing this. It's stopping. I'm gonna turn her off. And look at the spin down time. No, it's actually stopping slower than it actually did the other day. I don't think it's supposed to stop that fast though, but I am too scared to put this thing on high. And I just did. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely screwed internally. If you, if you guys know what's wrong with it, put a comment down below. I think I need a new fan. I've had this thing for like 6.5 years and it just started doing this. It's the loudest ceiling fan in my house.